Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Thank you very much. Had a few chores to get done around the ranch today, and had a little short section of road that was kind of rough and had a mud hole in it, so I wanted to grade some dirt over that direction and kind of fill up that mud hole and smooth the road out a bit. So got the little tractor out and did that. I had a gantry stored up there on the road and needed to get it down here and get it put together and put up where I could use it. And it wasn't doing any good laying out there in pieces. So that's the main task for today. When I took this thing apart, I put all the bolts and the individual pieces so that I could have them when I went to go put it back together. I was kind of surprised all the bolts were still there. I have a small project. I got to build basically a stand, a sawhorse type thing that is out of real heavy material. The stuff's probably, I don't know, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4 inch thick. It's pretty thick box tubing, and each individual piece that I'm going to be welding together weighs about 200 pounds. So the entire stand will probably end up weighing somewhere close to 900 pounds, maybe 1,000 pounds when it's all said and done. I needed something I could kind of move things around with while I'm welding on it without having to get a piece of heavy equipment up there where the welder is. Yeah, I get steer crazy too here to stand this thing up and set it over out of the way for the time being. I'll move the welder trailer out of the way and snowmobile and put that up there between those two semi-trailers to where I can use it. Thought maybe I'd get back to forming the footers on my greenhouse, but that didn't happen today. The weather's starting to turn nasty, so I probably won't go up there and work in the rain and the mud.